Welcome everyone. Today, I want you to stop whatever you're doing. Sit down, close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath, and ask yourself this simple question: am I really living, or am I just existing? Everyone wants to travel the world, they want their dream car, they want freedom, money, and a business they can call their own. But what are you doing today to get all that? Are you still scrolling endlessly through social media? Are you still making excuses for why you can't start? Listen to me carefully, your time is limited. You don't get a second life. I am not here to give you fake motivation, I am here to give you a mirror. If you want to master English and reclaim your life, you have to wake up now. Pillar 1, time is your life. Time is your life, don't kill it. You think you're killing time? No. Time is killing you. Every time you say, "I'll do it tomorrow," or spend an extra hour on Instagram, you aren't just wasting minutes, you are destroying pieces of your potential. You might not feel it today, but with every passing second, your energy fades and your opportunities shrink. Tomorrow is a lie used by people who are afraid to act today. The solution is simple: treat your hours like gold. Create a daily plan and cut just 1 hour of social media to invest in your growth. Pillar 2, stop blaming, start building. Your life is your responsibility. It's not your parents' job, your friend's job, or the government's job to make you successful. People spend years crying about not going to the right school or not having enough money. These are just stories you tell yourself to stay comfortable. Look at the most successful people in history, many started with nothing but a dream and a refusal to quit. Accept your past, but do not become a victim of it. Stop asking, "Why is this happening to me?" and start asking, "What can I build from this?" Pillar 3, the comfort zone trap. Your comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. The routine of waking up, checking your phone, and doing the bare minimum is a slow death for your ambition. Success lives outside of what is easy. If you want to speak fluent English, then speak. Speak even if you make 100 mistakes. Speak even if people laugh at you. A seed must break through the heavy dark soil before it can ever become a tree. You must be willing to be uncomfortable if you want to be extraordinary. Pillar 4, you versus you. Your biggest enemy isn't the critic outside, it's the voice inside. It's the version of you that says, "I'm tired," or "let's just relax for a bit." Every single day, there is a war inside you between your lazy self and your ambitious self. In this battle, the one you feed is the one that wins. If you feed your distractions, they will grow powerful enough to control you. If you feed your discipline, you will become unstoppable. Celebrate the days when you do the work even when you don't feel like it. That is where character is built. Pillar 5, willpower and focus. If you don't train your willpower, your emotions will rule your life. And remember, feelings are liars. They tell you to quit when things get hard. Real success comes to those who keep going even when the excitement has faded. Willpower is a muscle. The more you use it to say no to distractions and yes to your goals, the stronger it becomes. Starve your distractions and feed your focus. If you commit to your growth for just 1 year, your life will be unrecognizable. The breakthrough, the secret tip. To master English quickly, stop treating it like a school subject. Start narrating your life. As you walk, cook, or work, describe your actions in English inside your head. Instead of translating from your native language, this forces your brain to build a direct English-to-thought connection. This is the fastest way to achieve fluency. The world doesn't care about your potential, it only cares about your results. No one is coming to save you. There is no magic pill and no secret shortcut. It is all on you. You are not weak. You are not behind. You are just warming up. Use your pain as fuel and let your hunger for a better life drive you forward. Fix your posture, breathe in your power, and start walking toward your greatness. The world is waiting for